Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 11th of October 2021 and today's discussion topic is discussion about the string. So before starting our discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatre Mulik. I am from Kalam, district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from G.H. Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune, and I also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our discussion topic, that is the discussion about the string. So firstly we will see about the definition of the string, what it means. String is a one type of object which contains a sequence of characters. In a string there is also contains an alphanumeric values or some of the characters like that, or some of the numbers we can easily store in the string in the form of sequence. That's all about the string. So if we talk about the string, the value stored in a string, that is the character or some of the numeric value, are stored in the enclosed in the double quotation marks. That's the main point of the storing some of the characters or the alphanumeric values in the string. That's the main condition to store it. So now we will see some of the note points or important points about the string. First point is the string is an immutable. Means we what it means, what actually the meaning of immutable. So we will see it about it. So the creation of a string is done by the two methods. First one is the by using a string literal, or second is the by using the new keyword. That's all about the methods of the string. Firstly we will see the first method, that is the string literal. By using the string literal we can create a string. So now we will see the example of that string literal. So if there is a string is created, that is the string name of that string, that is the SB is equal to the string and the creation as the reference variable in which the string value is stored, that is the SB or some of the S like that, or there is stored value is ABC which is contained in the double quotation marks. It's important to store that string value in the double quotation marks, and the value stored is, or the character stored are ABC like that, and then the double quotation mark that the semicolon is there to close that statement. So if we talk about the string literal, actually the string is non-primitive data type, and it is stored in the heap memory. So now we will see about that storage part of that string. So now I will told that the string is stored in a heap memory, but there is again one concept included in that heap memory, that is the SCP, that is the string constant pool, or the string literal pool, also called as string literal pool. If you talk about the string literal, the value given of the string is stored in the heap memory, but inside heap memory that object is created inside the SCP, that is the string constant pool, not outside of that. It means in case of the string literal there is only one object is created which is inside the SCP, that is the string constant pool. Outside of it, that SCP in a heap memory, there is no object creation. So now we will create an another string, that is the string S or string T, stores value of ABC, again the same value ABC. If there is then that string checks that ABC value is present in that SCP or not. If the value is presented, then that object, that is the T object, is also referred to that the previous ABC value. Means there is no object creation in the second condition, means only one object, but that object is referred by the two reference variable, that is the S or T. That's the main use of that string literals. Because of that reason only the string literals are mostly or widely used to create a string. That's the main use of that string literals. So now we will see our second type through which we can create a string, that is the by using the new keyword. Now we will see the example of it, that is the string A is equal to new string in which the value is given of that string, that is the suppose value given is the ABC. In that case the object created in the heap memory also and in SCP also. Means in both SCP or heap memory there is an object created to store the value of that string. Means if we talk about that creation of object, there suppose that value given is ABC. Means in heap memory the value is given in the object, that is the ABC, inside heap memory and also in the SCP also. Means in case of creation of that string by using the new keyword, there is a two object is created. That's the main disadvantage of that creation of a string through that new keyword. That's all about the string. Thank you.